This brand is made in China by Tosit, which is a part of GRI Appliance Company for HvacRepairGuy Corporation, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. They are only available through their dealer network in the USA. The brand uses R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units have an iFeel function where the remote control senses the room temperature for increased comfort, but the units only have basic washable filters which do not do much to improve the home's air quality. The Premier 38 models are ultimate heat pumps with a 38 SEER cooling efficiency and a 15 HSPF heating efficiency. They are Wi-Fi enabled for control through a smartphone, and they have an auto-clean function to minimize the buildup of mold and mildew on the indoor coil. The HX multi-zone models are premium 21 SEER units that can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. The brand is backed by a very good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.